Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic battles of ancient history, the Battle of Marathon, which marked the beginning of the Greco-Persian Wars. But it's not just a battle, it's also the origin of the modern marathon race. So, let's rewind the clock and uncover the epic tale of the marathon men in the legendary run of Pheidippides. In 490 BC, tensions between the Persian Empire and Greek city-states were at a boiling point. The Persians aimed to quell uprisings in Ionia, modern-day Turkey, with the support of some Greek autocratic regimes. The stage was set for an epic clash. It's August or September of 490 BC. On the picturesque Marathon Plain, just 26 miles northeast of Athens, the Persian army, under the command of generals Miltiades and Artaphornes, had recently stormed the nearby Greek city-state of Eretria. They now had their sights set on Athens, with the hope of toppling the fledgling democracy. Facing an outnumbered Athenian force of less than 10,000 troops, Athenian general Miltiades needed a brilliant strategy. His plan, to weaken the center of his army and reinforce the wings. He hoped that his heavily armed hoplites could hold the middle while the flanks broke through the lighter-clad Persian infantry. The fateful day arrives. The Athenian center buckles under Persian pressure, but it holds just long enough for the flanks to execute their breakthrough. The result: panic among the Persian ranks, and a resounding victory for the Athenians. But the Battle of Marathon's legacy goes beyond this single victory. It's the stuff of legends. The tale of the messenger Pheidippides, who ran a staggering 25 miles to Athens to deliver news of the Persian defeat, inspired the modern marathon race we know today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.